We just got a package. We just got a package. I can't sing this 'cause of copyright claims. Sorry, didn't mean to bother you, but I just wanted to let you know that finally my Unis Honest merch has arrived. The wait has been long enough, so as they say, good things come to those who wait. I am excited. Look at that. There it is. Okay, before I actually pull out the designs, where did it go? I saw on the, there it is. I could just barely see, because this packaging is kind of translucent. I could just barely see the sticker. Finally, yes. I really love this sticker. The only problem is, and my problem with stickers in general, is I just don't know where to put them. I feel like I'm gonna put it in the wrong place, and then, you know, once it's on, it's on. You can't take it off. So I just have like a box somewhere in my room. I don't know where I put it, but I have a box somewhere in my room just full of stickers. So this is probably gonna go in there, but I do appreciate it. So thank you very much, Second City Prints. By the way, if I haven't mentioned this already and you didn't know, Second City Prints are the people that made all the merch for Unis Honest. So I would recommend checking the link in the description down below to go check out their merch store, because they do a lot of different merch for a whole bunch of different people, and it all looks amazing. So yeah, check them out down below, link in description. So the first one that I'm gonna pull out is the one that obviously everyone probably wanted, which was the split logo tee. So looking at it, it looks just absolutely amazing. There's this stitching here on the white side, which I don't really remember being in the picture, but I'm not gonna complain. It just, you know, adds more to the whole black and white thing, because there's black text there, so it would make sense to have black stitching there. And, sorry, you're getting a real crinkle fest here. I do apologize. Maybe I can do some ASMR here. Yes. There, yes, listen to the package. Open. Okay, honestly, I kind of cringe at this kind of like crinkling ASMR. It's not really my thing. Okay, so pulling it out. First we do the smell test. Freshly printed, lovely. Okay, so, oh, I've already gotten dandruff on it. No! So, the printing on there is, I don't know what it's called. I didn't do any research on printing stuff. And if you've ever seen my video about the Dink apparel, which is on my other channel, maybe I'll move it onto this one so you can see it too. I didn't really know what I was talking about, but this is not like a screen print. I guess it's called embossment. I don't know, but it's physical. You can actually touch it, and it has a texture to it, which is really nice. And then you can feel the stitch down the middle. So this, again, they didn't print black for this. They literally took a black shirt and a white shirt and stitched them together, which I think is awesome. So opening it up, ooh, it's a thick one too. So you get the little skull here, little pixelated skull, which I love, and then the date of, I think when it died, I would assume because of the skull. Either that or that's the day that they put it out. I really don't remember. There's a lot of stuff that I don't remember about Unis Honest, which is sad. I was supposed to remember everything, and now it's all going away. Let me know down in the comments, whatever that is, but you can see that they took very good care in stitching the shirt together. On the front and the back, the stitching is very tough. There's no way that this is coming undone in a dryer, which is really nice. And it's very thick material. Let me just hold it up. It's a little big, but I'm sure it would probably shrink in the dryer. I did order mediums, and medium is my size for like everything. It's my size for like the cloak shirts as well. So, but that's, I think, done by a different company. So, honestly, I mean, I'm not gonna complain though. It's still a nice shirt. And I mean, there's still some shirts in my closet that are large that kind of look medium. So, I mean, this will still work. and I'm very, very happy about this one. This one I'm probably gonna wear a lot. Now, for the second item that I got, which is a mystery. You have a couple seconds here to guess which one I got, if you remember any of the designs at all. So I'll give you some time here. All right, did you figure it out yet? If you answered the... Oh, well, you can't tell. Can you figure out which one it is now? Here's a hint. It's weird that they didn't put this one in a bag, but they put the other one in like a plastic, which I'm not complaining. Less crinkling stuff to work with. Okay, 3, 2, 1, reveal. Yes, the coffin one. I really love this one, and I really, really wanted to get it for such a long time, but by the time I'd finally, gotten the money for it, it's poof, gone. So as soon as they brought up the revival sale, I was like, yes, get on that, please. So this one is a medium as well, and same skull there, and the date is 2/07/13. The last one was what, 1/7/3? Did they come out with the split one? Oh, 1/72/13. So 1/72/13, and this one is 2/07/13. I can't remember if they came out with this one before or after the split logo. So, I mean, regardless, that's the date that it was, and yeah, another medium again. But what I'll say about the mediums is that the length is right, but it's quite wide, which is surprising. But if I'd gotten a small, I'm guessing that it would have been not long enough. So yeah, if these are made of a shrinkable material, then I'll be careful when I shrink it, obviously, in the dryer, but I'll try not to, because these are precious materials that will never, ever be produced again. Or will they? Hey! Nope, I can't do that. That's copyrighted? I don't know. You know who I was imitating. Anyways, yes, there was bootleg merch, and I do have my hands on one of those bootleg merchandise things. This is not going to be such a mean-spirited review like Mark did with his bootleg merchandise, but still, if you don't own the rights and you didn't get permission from the copyright holder to make it, you probably shouldn't do it. And I should put a disclaimer also before I show this to you that I did not pay with this with my own money. This was a gift given to me by my girlfriend, and she admitted to me that she actually didn't realize what this actually was, because this is, not only is it bootleg, it's parody-ish, which is definitely funny. So I'll just hold it up for you. So this is a hoodie with kind of a split logo design. So you got the black and the white, it's the same there, and then the logo. But there's something a little bit different about it. Have you figured it out yet? Give you a hint. There, onions. This is an Unis onions sweatshirt. Oh, my ukulele. Quite an interesting take, I think, on the merch. So they have everything here. They've got the logo, and then they've got the timestamp. And then the bigger logo on the back, no timestamp. So this was screen printed, obviously. This was just a white hoodie, and then they screen printed the black and the logo and the text on it. And if you can get zoomed in, I don't know how good the quality on this camera is, but you can definitely see pixels in the text, and it's blurry, so yes, definitely screen printed. The cheapest way to do things, not necessarily the best looking ever, I don't think. And the fabric is very similar to that other shirt from the Dank Apparel store. It's that stretchy, kind of stretchy, but not really breathable material. So it's more sport-like, but I'm not sure about, how valid that point is. One thing I will commend them on is that they have metal. What are these things called? I forget. This word. They have those things, and oh, never mind. It's not very hard metal, because I just bit into that, and it's Yeah, it's bent now. Oops. Oh well, nothing's forever. But yeah, back on track here. With the logo, I love what they did. You can see it better on this side. They edited it so that the bottom is an onion. And I think the best thing about this is because obviously Mark and Ethan did 2 videos that I remember about onions. So there was the eating nothing but onions for a day and who's cutting onions. So at least with this one, the parody is appreciated, but it's still bootleg, and Mark and Ethan aren't getting any money for this. So yeah, it's not a good thing to like do that kind of stuff because you're hurting the original creator. But size-wise, yeah, this one actually looks like it would fit. Maybe a little bit better fit than those, but definitely not the best quality. You look inside, there's strings everywhere. You can even see, I guess, some numbers for something. I'm not sure why that's in there. But, I mean, at least, you know, from a distance, you can't tell that it's screen printed. It does look good from a distance, just not so much up close. I should also mention I'm not ungrateful for this. This was a great present, and I love the parody. It's just, you know, when it comes to bootleg stuff like that, it's legally it's not okay. I don't have any lawyers, so you don't have to worry about any problems with me. I'm just saying, you know, if you see something on Amazon and it looks too good to be true, just look into it, make sure that, you know, it's something that is licensed by the creator or the artist, and you support the artist instead of supporting these businesses, because I can guarantee you, if you look up this hoodie on Amazon or just online anywhere, AliExpress or Wish, you're going to find probably the same design from multiple companies, and they're all being outsourced from a factory where they're not getting paid enough wages, and it's, you know, tight quarters, you know, sweatshop kind of stuff. Whereas with the official Unis Honest merch, yeah, it was a little bit harder to push out because of COVID, but they did outsource to, Second City Prints has their own, you know, manufacturing places that they bought themselves. They bought a whole bunch of warehouses just so that they could get this stuff done. They hired staff and made sure that everything was safe in the workplace and people were staying safe and wearing their PPE. So I'd much rather support something like this than opposed to some bootleg stuff. So that's your lesson for today. And with that, I'm gonna cut it short because I have a life to live. And you do too. So make sure you make the most of it. Memento mori. Unis honest. See you tomorrow. Well, maybe I won't see you tomorrow. We'll see if I make any videos.